What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video of mine. Put that right there for now. I'll put that right there, and it's gonna angle down because the thing's broken. Got a fresh cut with me. Oh, I can't even see because the camera's down. Got a fresh cut. I just got off the motorcycle. Turn that off for copyright. We're gonna be doing an oil change in the Camaro because it's telling me to. I was gonna film the R3 just for little things, but my GoPro wasn't working, so I gotta go and get that set up for you guys. We're gonna bring the car around in the back. Hope all is well with everybody. I'll get this out of the way now. I'll probably say it again later, but leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that cool fun stuff. I have a receipt. Oh, the auto's on the seat. But yeah, little oil change today. Well, I'm still wearing the boots. That's why this is weird. Yes, I need an oil change. I know. I think I should be fine. My mother's car is somewhat in the back. Not somewhat, it is in the back, but it's not in the way. Don't hit the gate, don't hit the wall. And there is a little brick in the way. Golden, there we go. Love the way the exhaust deck goes off the back. I didn't bring the clicker for the thing. Okay, that's cool, I guess. Alright. Let the car cool off just a little bit. And then we'll get to it and you'll see what it is. For the specs, it's 5W30, 10 quarts. I think, what was the one I got? I think Mobile 1 was the one I bought. You can buy others. It's all up to you, up to preference. Again, I'm not tracking or doing track races. Not yet. I would love to in the future. But, oh, God. Got everything? Yeah. Yeah, got the bike. Still biking in the back. But yeah, those are the plans. But we're just doing a little oil change just to make sure everything is all good and dandy. Where's my clicker? We got the R3. If you haven't seen the video about me getting the R3 and doing a little like... Come on. Thank you. Doing, what's it called? Just riding it around and stuff. I have a mic set up where I want to go get donuts and stuff. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to get it, but the GoPro and the GoPro's just not turning on right now, and it's not the battery because I did charge it. I did I? I'm not too sure. But where's the other clicker? Actually, it's gonna get hot out right now. I'll just get this stuff later. But yeah. So this is a little tutorial how to do little updates, vlog-ish, on how I do things. So yeah, we'll get that all started with. Alright, GoPro ready. Let's get this guy up. It's probably gonna be really hot. It's like 80 something right now. Nice. Alright, there's that. Where's the... Where'd the plug at? Yeah, this is really fucking dusty. Really fucking dusty. Oh my god. I haven't really given the engine bay an actual proper bath yet. This is my, I guess, first time actually looking in this, dude. It's pretty cool. Where's the dipstick? It's usually should be around here. Well, at least in the other Camaro, that's where it was. It was around here. Huh. I don't think it's underneath the plate. I mean, it shouldn't be. Huh. Unless it's, you know, somewhere really, really fucking dumb. Oh, it's over there. I'm dumb. Why is it over there? Why is the... Oh, it's really good. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank God we got blue towels. Garage is a mess. Family's moving out in a couple of months. Where's the... Here it is. 16 quart container, because the other one is 10 quart. That holds 10 quarts of oil. So, you know, do quick maths, be safe. Just got something. Alright, and then for filter, just the K&N Performance, the 1017. Fits good, 20k miles. You know, easy removal. We will be chilling, and I think the other part of the little cap is in here. There's when I did the oil change on the Honda Rebel. I really missed the Rebel. The Rebel was such a good bike. I actually do want, if I am able to save up enough money in the future and I have a place of my own, like a home or something, then I would love to keep the R3 or R7 or the Honda CBR 650R, and also get a cruiser like a 500 ABS. Oh, 1 oil, 5W30, triple action. Keeping it in the shade because, you know, that's proper. Leave this guy in the bag. You know, we don't want anything getting damaged. Towels, oil, that. Funnel is over there. We'll go with this. We'll start with a 12. Seems too big. We'll go down, but let's go get this guy in the stands. Which, if you also haven't watched the other video, which you totally should, or we put the little ZL1. Why am I blanking on the name? Stands. The lift points, the jack stand lift points. We also put there's another video that you should watch for the Camaro. That bike sounds really nice. No, that's not a bike. I think there's a house around here. There's a house around here that does cars too. They have a couple cool little Hondas, and it looks like also they picked up an RS Camaro. Don't know what they're going to be doing with that, or if they're just dailing it, but it seems pretty cool. Alright, let's go get these guys up on stands. Look at all these bugs, dude. There's so many bugs. Even on the bike too, in the windshield, even on my face mask, there's like just bugs everywhere, and now it's that time of the season. We're also going to put that right there for now. Huh. Just to clarify, oil cap. Take it out. Makes it easier.
How's it going?
Okay.
Did you help? Are you good?
Pretty good. It's hot.
It's cloudy. Really. I thought you were gonna get like early.
I woke up at like 9:30. Then I had the hair appointment at around like 10:30. And I was like, oh, that's right. I did have the hair appointment.
Put these cardboards on there. You have to lay in the back so you don't get. Concrete. That's why I kept it.
Oh yeah, from the splitter. Yeah, oil filter. So the OnePlus just got an update. I don't know I didn't even know we were getting like a big enough like UI update and everything. I just left the GoPro on the side. That is not good. Put you back on. There's no shade. Shade. Stay. Ugh. Yo, what is up? Oh. I also want to clarify, it is a 15 millimeter. fuck, wait, which way's left, which way's right? Oh my god, I hate when we're going to, you wanted this. Yeah, okay. Oh, I just hit my head. Oh, that hurt. We're okay. Oh. Ooh. That's probably factory type. I want the oil. Where's the cap hole? Where's the hole going? I want it going that way. Oh, wait for me. That should be good enough angle. I wasn't fast enough. Look at that. Oh, I touched it again. Not trying to make a mess all over the driveway. I should have got the towels broken apart. No, you are dripping on the side. Remember, when you do this, it's 10 quarts of oil. So that's only big enough for 10 quarts. Dude, the wind is literally just pushing some of the oil. Okay, well. Try and clean everything up. I don't want oil. We have dogs. Yeah, and you could just let that sit.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you.
All right.
And you're always inside.
Oh, that's dripping. That's heavy oil. I'm gonna move it under there because we're gonna take the actual oil filter off using a clamp. So you can see most of them have grooves just because, you know, it's gonna be harder to get and stuff like that. So you want to clamp any sorts. The Cayenne filter I got actually has a little, like, I guess you could say like a socket nipple or whatever. Not nipple. Anyways, bad joke. I already attached to it to make it easier. So we're just gonna go set it up, get that going out, and hopefully not make a mess. But then this is the pan wide enough. There we go. That should be enough room. The only thing that concerns me is that bar, because it's not directly under, but it's to the side. But yeah, move the GoPro up. Alright, let's get that going. Let's get that out. It's probably torqued and a bit, it's probably a hassle, but let's get to it. would you look at that? It's gonna come out really easy. I kind of don't like that it comes out super easily. Oh man, there is a lot more oil in there than I thought there was. I also didn't think it was going to come out that easy. I'm literally tightening it. I'm an idiot. Alright, so what I like to do is just go back where the filter is supposed to be going and just clean everything around it, get that old oil out as much as you can. It's not like, you know, worst case scenario, something bad's gonna happen. But personally, I just rather have everything as clean as possible. Granted, again, not like it's something terrible is gonna happen, but lessen the chance is what I'd rather say. All right. Alright, we're gonna turn the GoPro off now. We'll move on to the next thing. Alright. Going up and down. Not used to it. Alright. Crack open the new filter. See, it's got the little nut. Huh. I didn't know there's a sticker on these ones. There it is. So what you want to do is we're going to crack open a new thing of oil, dip our finger in it, make sure that the plastic seal around it is lubricated, and then we're going to pour a bit of oil inside, probably like halfway or so. I'm not too sure what the actual recommended is, but I just want to make sure there's oil inside of it. Then we're going to go back underneath and put it in. Yo, what is up? Make sure your hands are nice and clean and dry. You don't want anything in there just for the sake of something happening. I suggest leaving it in the box. In case you spill, at least it goes back in the box. Nice, clean, dry hands. Get a bit of oil. Yeah. And just, lube that sucker up. Just so when you tighten it, it has a seal into it, like a suction seal. And then, like I said, just pour a bit of oil into it just so it's ready to go. There we go. We're gonna cap that guy back off. Oh, there we go. And you just go and stick it back in there. Stick it back under there. Wow. Dude, I have to take an English class or something again because I'm failing at this. Alright, I should really get the new GoPro because the new GoPro has a little screen in the front and it actually shows you what you're recording. I'm gonna go try this out because a little bit was coming out still, but we're okay. We are okay. Again, now that the little rubber ring sealant is on, you have a bit of oil, so it's pretty ready to go. Just go, and then you're gonna tighten it as much as you can with your hand. Your hand may be a bit oily, or most likely it's still gonna be oily, so keep that in mind when you're tightening it. You don't want anything too tight, but again, you still want to make sure it's nice and secure, so in case when you load the car up, the pressure in this doesn't just shoot it out and just untwist everything. That guy's still dripping. See what I mean? See what? Let me just see what I mean. Look at that. If you angle it a little bit, then it comes out a lot faster. Makes sense. Makes sense to me. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure this guy's tightened. We're gonna screw that guy by on, and then I'll just go to the part of just pouring the oil on top. Alright. Now that we have it in, make sure it's not tight. You can do it by hand. If you need to, just like for your mental sake, just get a whatever you need to, an oil wrench, filter, socket, whatever, and just barely tighten it. You know, you just barely. But yeah, for the most part, you can just do this by hand. Again, make sure your hand is nice and dry. You just go up, you know, and just make sure everything's all nice and good. I don't know what I'm doing with my left hand. I'm a righty. Oh yeah, like see, like. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna make this quick. One container done, got a whole new container. I found a bigger funnel because the other one was too small. I did spill a little bit here and there. I wiped it up as best I could. It's not like dangerously high. But yeah, just make sure you have a bigger one. I don't know why I didn't think about it. But yeah, just make sure you have a big enough funnel so if you do start dripping and stuff like that, just there's enough for it to catch. And that's what I'm talking about right there. It's not like, you know, spilling, it's just, you know, the initial pour, the way the physics and the liquids go and trickle down. That's what I mean. Nothing too serious, but, you know, just be wary, wipe it off. A little bit will burn off. You just don't want it in any electrical appliance or just pulling up somewhere. So if you do spill a lot, then, I mean, I guess washing with degreaser, carefully scrubbing every details. Finish what you're doing first, then start cleaning it off, making sure everything's good to go. Because you might, if you don't, then you're probably going to catch a fire, destroy something. The belt, if it spills on the belt, which if you're doing an oil change, I don't know how it spilled on the belt, but if it does, it could slip off. Stuff like that. Just keep that in mind. Be safe. Use the correct funnel, or just get a bunch of little containers, not the big ones. Up to you. Car's all stands, but hey, this just gets better because that guy's leaking out. That's great. I literally was carrying it, saw the drips right here starting because it got darker, and I was like, what the heck? Set it down because I thought maybe I was holding it wrong in one of the holes of something, and nope. From somewhere right here is where it's all leaking from. That's great. It's $20 wasted. Hopefully I get my money back. And that's not properly tightened either. It's never that easy, guys. It's just never that easy. Let's just start the car up, run it up for a little bit, and then get it on out of here. Alright, we are all good to go. No oil spills, no nothing. Oh yeah, we do gotta change the actual, hold on. So there's a lot of right there. It just turned off, but it said change oil soon. If you want to, no, it's not that. You go here. Go to oil life. Reset. Yes. There we go. Now it's to its appropriate amount. Again, you check with the dipstick. The dipstick's already been checked because this is my second time. I was talking to my dad for a bit. But if you do need to add a little bit more oil, just add a little bit more. Buy an extra like 1/4 or whatever this lowest amount you could buy is. And I need gas really bad. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. Remember guys, if this was helpful for you, this is like kind of like a tutorial, kind of like a, hey, this is my daily life. This is what not daily, I don't do this daily, but it's what I do. Thank you, camera, for not falling. Do my 7-point turn. And we are good. No oil's coming out from my rear views. And that is exactly what you want. Nice, clean. Now it sucks that my pan, I gotta get a new pan. But yeah, if you guys found the video fun, enjoying, helpful, tillful, what not to do. Maybe like, yeah, don't listen to this guy. Like, yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. See you guys next part. Take care. Stay vibes and stay safe. Peace.